Get ready for a day of exploration and enchantment as we embark on a one-of-a-kind, off-the-beaten-path tour of Chicago, filled with hidden gems and local delights. We'll kick off our adventure and step into the charming world of Andersonville. This historic district will captivate you with its Scandinavian heritage and quaint shops. Be sure to pick up some handmade goodies from local artisans and relish the delightful aromas of freshly baked pastries. Next, we'll make our way to the legendary Wrigley Field neighborhood. Whether you're a baseball fan or not, the electric atmosphere surrounding this historic ballpark is infectious. Take a leisurely stroll around the area and feel the energy of the city's sports culture. Now, we'll dive into the bohemian paradise of Wicker Park. Creativity flows freely in this neighborhood, with its vibrant street art, cozy cafes, and live music performances. Strike a pose in front of the iconic Ivy mural, a symbol of artistic expression in the heart of Wicker Park. Feeling hungry? Let's satisfy our cravings with an authentic Greek feast in Greektown. With an array of delectable dishes like souvlaki, moussaka, and baklava, you'll feel like you've been transported to the Mediterranean. Opa, after lunch, we'll head to the prestigious and esteemed Art Institute of Chicago. Lose yourself in the world-class art collections, including masterpieces by Van Gogh, Monet, and Picasso. Need a retail fix? Then it's time to head down and shop till we drop along the Magnificent Mile, Chicago's iconic shopping district. Indulge in luxury brands and boutique finds as we take in the impressive cityscape and architecture. As the day draws to a close, we'll find ourselves reminiscing about the captivating sights, delectable flavors, and enriching experiences we encountered on this tourist-free tour of Chicago. So, lace up your walking shoes and join us for an unforgettable journey through the heart and soul of this magnificent city.